Hey everybody, it's your girl Aj, and today I'm going to show y'all 4 super cute ways on how to wear your head wraps, okay? So let's get started. Look 1. I don't know what these looks are called, so yeah. But this first one, I'm just going to wear in a knot in the back. And what I'm going to do here is I'm tying it twice. And another time, and then I'm just going to start like rolling it around in a bun, so it's like wearing your hair in a bun in the back. This one's super easy. Boom. Like, it don't get no easier and cuter than that right there, honey. And I always like to push it back a little bit so my edges can show, you know, that's just my preference. But yeah. So look number 2 is kind of like a knot in the front. So I'm going to kind of have like a bun in the front. And basically I'm going to make one side longer than the other. And I'm going to tie this twice as well. So that was 1 time. And 2. I'm going to take the longer piece here, and I'm actually going to take that part and tuck it in the back. Then my short leftover piece, I'm just going to wrap it around, just kind of like a bun in the front. Y'all, I don't know which one is my favorite, but I'm thinking it's this one. This one is so cute. Yes. Okay, so moving on to look number 3. Y'all, just a little bit about how my hair is. My hair was like, it was doing all kind of sort of stuff. I had like a braid in the middle because it was like wash day, but then I didn't feel like doing the rest of it, so I just put a wig cap on. But I would just have your hair flat when you're doing this, but in this style, I'm just taking it and tying it in the back, kind of like the first one. Then I'm going to take these 2 pieces here that I have, and I'm just going to like twist it, just like a turn twist. After I twist those, I'm literally just going to take them and cross them and then tuck the ends in. Y'all, I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all favorite style is, because I can't pick. I love them. But look how cute that is. Yes. It's like a princess and stuff. Super cute. Okay, and the last style, y'all. This is a plain white t-shirt, y'all. I just balled up and laid at the top because I'm gonna need that for some height. But what I'm doing here is I'm just taking it and I'm crossing it, crossing in the front. I'm gonna cross it in the back. I'm not going to tie it. I'm just crossing it. Then I'm gonna take my ends and then I'm just gonna tuck my ends in. And boom, push back, looking like a whole entire queen, honey. Do you feel me? Yes. So like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know which one is y'all favorite, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.